Every day, hundreds of millions of people are on popular social networking sites, publicly broadcasting where they are, what they want, and what they're doing. Social sites like Facebook, Twitter, EveryDanceSchool.com, and many others, providing you, the business owner, an opportunity to connect. But the reality is, who has time to run a business and manage these sites? That's where Tweet Trust comes to the rescue. Our technology works around the clock to find, keep, and bring back your best customers. We target customers by keywords, location, and social conversations, all in real time to determine what incentive or promotion that person is most likely to respond to, resulting in a valuable connection for you and the customer. Our process is simple and easy. To get started, all we need is access to your business Twitter account. No account, no problem. We can create and manage one for you. Now you can check off killer social media strategy from your list and get back to running your business.